Hey guys, I haven't got to put a video up in a while, so I thought I'd just let you watch me get this prepped. I'm gonna get some paintbrush really quick, and then I can get started. And I was just gonna chat at you and go, hey, I've come to the realization I cannot, with my house dynamic the way it is right now, I cannot do what I want to do with this channel as far as tutorials go. Like, I'm trying to do them a certain way and it's just not working. I have found when I just do voiceover on stuff as I'm recording me making the things, I have a bit more success. But I get interrupted a lot, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that's my house dynamic. And I came to the realization, I think yesterday while I was sitting in my car, because I sit in my car a lot, that I do a lot of crafts in my car. Well, all the ones that I can. I can't really do this, but because I'm constantly on the go with at least my youngest one, because she's a competitive dancer, so we go to lots of things. And I was like, you know what these people might want to see even more is just me making the car work as a viable crafting area. So I got thinking about that and thinking about the never-ending mess that is my craft room that we're in right now, and what could I do to make this better? It was like, obviously what I'm doing is not working, because every time I want to get a video up by a certain day, it just doesn't happen. And even getting one up once a week right now is becoming a struggle. Oh, the lawnmower is super close. You can probably hear it. So my husband's out back mowing the lawn. So right now I'm covering this in this glitter. I don't need to be perfect. I just want to get like a layer on it really quick, because then when I go to put epoxy on, I'll put another layer on. It'll be a nice thick coat so you won't see the white paint underneath it. So having some spots that are just like, what, did you even put glue there? Yes, I did, but probably too late to actually, it already dried, or I thought I did, but the paintbrush is wonky. Point is, it doesn't matter, it's not perfect, because I'm going to put epoxy on it, and then that'll be fine. Because I'm going to put like 2 more layers of stuff on it. I wasn't using the best brush for that, I just was using a brush, and now you guys see my hands a whole bunch. So anyways guys, I was thinking maybe I'm going about sharing and crafting things with you all the wrong way. And with that, I'm going to attempt, I'm going to say attempt because, you know, I gotta be successful before I can say I did it, to kind of change what I'm doing with my videos. Also, I don't like that the tutorials have been so long. Tutorials are great, and tutorials are great long because they have when they're long, if they have lots of information in them. But I feel like I could cut some of that fat and make the videos more focused on just getting you through point A to point B a lot easier, and then at the end maybe use whatever different technique or coloring that I was using in some of those videos that made them take so long. So that's kind of my plan too. I think I've shown you guys my glitter room. maybe not, but I seriously need some help with organizing. It's been a hot mess, and every time I come in, I'm in a hurry, and stuff just gets dumped. So then I can't make tutorials in here, which would probably solve some of my problems because it's a mess. So if you have any good ideas of storage containers for craft supplies that you can see through, please send them my way, because I'm going to be looking for containers specifically to organize my closet that's just for my yarn. And then I would like to be able to do some tutorials with stoning, but I really need this space to do that, and I gotta do better. So I'm giving you a video to say, hey, I'm here. I've been thinking about you guys. I've had like so many ideas, crafting ideas in my head, but I haven't been able to put them on video lately. I'm hoping next week will be better. We'll see. But at the very least, I have a Wooble review almost done, ready to go for you guys.